my Nini was kind enough. She saw the video that my guru doesn't have Kango pots, and she decided to surprise her. So Debs doesn't actually know that these Kango pots are there. So you guys are going to help me surprise her. The surprise is actually happening tomorrow. So you guys are going to help me surprise her. She doesn't know I'm doing this video. You know, you've never seen me have such a long monologue by myself. This is the first time. So yeah, come along. I hope you enjoy and let us all surprise Debs with some Kango pots. Hey guys, what's up? It's a sunny day, late afternoon in Harare. If you've been following, Debs made a video about cooking sadza. She was cooking sadza for me. I wasn't there, I wasn't aware of that video, that she was making a video, but she made a video all the same. It was sweet of her. And in that video she mentioned something, that she did have Kango pots.
I am going to put my sadza in this. Why? I don't own a Kango pot. Don't judge me. Yes, I know I've been living here for like almost 5 years.
So one of my cousins' wives saw the video and decided to get Deb some Kango pots. Like, it's a thing here in Zimbabwe for each and every household to have some Kango pots. But just a backstory as to why she doesn't have these Kango pots is because when we got married in 2020, it was I think around Feb that we got married, 20 February actually, that we got married. And then in March 2020, that's when the lockdowns hit Zimbabwe. So we had planned that when we got back, we'd have some more celebrations here in Zimbabwe for my family that hadn't, experienced the wedding day in Jamaica, so that we could just have, something for them. And I think that was going to be the platform that they were going to, come and give us gifts and the likes. So initially, when the lockdown started, we thought that they would just, it would be just a few weeks, but then it ended up being prolonged. So we ended up not having anything in Zimbabwe, with no celebrations. I think we're in the house for the next 4 months, and then the lockdowns were eased, but there were still lockdowns. And then I think this went on for a year, or even two. Must have been a year aroundish. I'm kind of getting hazy. Between 2020 and 2021, I remember we had, a lot of lockdowns. So by the time that was done, like the hype had just died down. It just fizzled because we were already staying, and no one was thinking of us anymore like that. And we had already had other people having weddings. We were already planning other weddings, so that was done. So anyway, that's why. So I say this to say that was going to be the opportunity for my family or whoever is in Zim to gift those things, but it was just like, so. My Nini was kind enough. She saw the video that my guru doesn't have Kango pots, and she decided to surprise her. So Debs doesn't actually know that these Kango pots are there. So you guys are going to help me surprise her. Right now I'm actually at a workplace. I'm just finishing. I'm just waiting for her to finish work, and then we go home. So the surprise is actually happening tomorrow. So you guys are going to help me surprise her. She doesn't know I'm doing this video. You know, you've never seen me have such a long monologue by myself. This is the first time. So yeah, come along. I hope you enjoy and let us all surprise Debs with some Kango pots. But then now I don't know. I don't have a decoy story as to how we're going to do it. But all the same, it's another life in the day of the mega bushes. as we surprise my Jamaican wife with some Zimbabwean cooking utensils.
Just WhatsApp +263-867-700-960 or dial *646# to sign up and fund your wallet mass check.
What are you doing?
Financial Services Zimbabwe, a registered depositor and microfinance institution. T's and C's apply.
What was it?
It was alright. How was yours? Napapura nokubasa kwako.
You know the day that I've been having.
Knock, knock.
I've been having one of those.
Knock knock.
Welcome
Open up.
to.
You're on time.
Hello.
Hi, Mom.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very
Take a
good.
seat. Take a seat.
So my cousin is an artist, guys. He makes nice art. So if you're interested in anything,
He said he's not selling.
he's not yet selling.
You get it.
We're getting offers. How much do you want to sell it for?
For my art, Yals will share it when I die. So
I called dibs.
it'll be worth way more.
Will be
I called dibs on.
I'm gonna
Which
leave it
one?
all to my wife.
and she will just.
No, I've already called dibs.
I called him. Which one?
This one.
That's a fair. Yeah, that's a
That
fair.
one.
That
Called
one,
dibs.
it'll be very, very.
Okay, Taps. Okay.
You forgot.
How come
You get one.
how come your house is so small? Tell us.
So I'm supposed to call
What
it.
happened?
It's cozy. What do you mean? There's just two of
It's just
them.
the two of us.
What do you mean?
So.
No.
Good.
Just say like
Is this China?
No, it's not.
Oh,
It's
okay. So it's blue and white.
no. The answer is
Okay.
it was a bachelor pad. They recently got married.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so it's now
Then
our.
apartment hunting is hard.
How's that been for you in Zim? Because there's so many people who want to move back, and they'll be asking us this type of questions. Hey, so how are rentals? How are you finding house hunting right at the moment?
Like a good, solid place, like quality area, neighborhood. What else? Borehole, safe neighborhood.
Yeah.
We're looking at 650 going up.
How many bedrooms?
2 bed.
Too bad, yeah, for too bad.
No ensuite.
That's $650 US, not.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But you know, I think, yeah, if you have your money right, it's okay.
But
Right?
it's
If
just like
you have your
borrowed,
money,
like, it feels like borrowed luxury. I
Yeah.
just can't spend anything over.
on.
Because it's borrowed luxury.
Yes. So how does that work though?
What?
Like will it pick up sounds or?
Yeah, YouTube automatically picks it up.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Then
They
it's
don't hear.
it's
Then-
like you're using someone else's content.
Mm.
That's-
And they pause your content.
No, I used to think creating content was easy. Then I saw you guys do it. Then I was like,
How's it, babe? How's the food?
Nice. This is so. I think you'll be happy with this food, huh?
Me?
Mm.
I haven't tasted mine yet.
You should eat.
alright.
It's gonna be brutal.
Okay.
What do you think?
It's good. Your noodles are. What do we call it? Al dente. Is that the correct way, guys?
Noodles. do we call this noodles?
It's not noodles. What's this? Like pasta?
Pasta.
Fusilini. What is
Mm.
it? That's a special fancy name.
All I know is it's my favorite.
It's
Yeah,
nice,
it's actually my favorite.
The
yeah.
mushroom is all.
The brand actually.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
tasting good.
I'm glad you
You have
guys
to
are not
suck.
allergic to anything.
Allergic.
We're Zimbabweans.
I'm too African to be
We're allergic to things. What are you talking about?
You
Right.
say that, is it? I actually met someone.
It's
who
good.
was-
Very well seasoned.
Mm.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
This is your vibe.
It's my vibe. I don't know if it's his vibe.
We are sadza. We are sadza eaters.
People.
Sadza eaters every day.
Not mushrooms.
But you do sadza every day though.
Where?
Are you able to do sadza every day?
Sadza every day? No.
I don't understand how we used to do it as kids. We were on sadza like a lot. I remember.
As kids, I think that's what also killed me. Because we eat sadza 5 days a week. Monday to
Are you
Friday.
serious?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah,
Sadza.
maybe a bit of a variety over
When
the
I eat
weekends.
rice,
How about rice?
On Saturday afternoon, I knew that definitely rice.
Right. Right.
In the weekends.
This is
Right,
good.
I have to enjoy this. And then I go.
Okay. Can you? Do you mind?
The thing. So what do you want to do?
What?
Tell the people.
There is something.
What is it? Ah, your thing, babe.
What?
That thing.
Tell the people.
What?
Tell the people you're fighting to play Mortal Kombat.
Yeah, because I can't play FIFA. But I can play Mortal Kombat and WWF. And what else? Yeah, and ATV racing games.
I was playing FIFA with my cousin. It's just one game.
Yeah, and then you get beaten.
It was just one game.
You got beaten twice.
No,
It
one.
was 2 games.
It was one game.
Anyway, Dave.
I knew what you actually could read this.
What's this? You have to open it. To see what it is. First.
Why am I getting a gift? It's not
Get
my
a
birthday.
gift.
Okay,
It's a
get it.
gift day.
There you go.
But it's not my birthday.
It's fine.
January.
It's
But
fine.
what's this for,
Check
guys?
it out.
It's something that you've been talking about. You mentioned it last year and you've been talking about it, and I thought
Just open this thing.
it's a rite of passage.
No.
I knew it. Oh wow. Oh. You've got
Finally.
jokes.
You finally got
Oh my goodness. Are you serious?
Rite
Kat?
of passage.
Oh
Rite
my
of
gosh.
passage.
What?
Show us the Kango part.
Oh my goodness. So
Making-
the irony is I actually mentioned this in the last video.
Yeah, you had also mentioned last year because I remember we came and then you were cooking in those aluminium stainless steel pots and you're like, and you're like, I just need a Kango pot. I know I've been meaning to get one, and I was like, okay.
Guys, look. Oh my goodness. Like, literally, we talked about this in the last video. And then seriously, she was like, no, come for dinner. Blah, blah, blah.
You to make your porridge and your mbambairas and your.
You had to go to Baba.
I mean, you're welcome. Sorry for the box.
It's always Baba.
These people didn't have like a proper box.
They have a problem.
Thank
We couldn't
you.
get it.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Oh, this is so sweet.
And your Nemo and
Yes.
your Fugu and whatever you need to do.
Oh my goodness.
Do you have
Guys.
Kango pots?
It's a rite of passage.
Do you've got Kango pots?
Yeah, they got them for me because it was like, yo, you need them. And remember that day when we made stuff, it was just
Nice.
Now that's it. Kango pots.
It's a set.
Welcome to Zimbabwe.
Set
Finally.
of,
You need to record this.
Yes. Welcome to Zimbabwe. You're now
Guys,
proper.
next month,
Yeah.
I'll be in Zim for 5 years.
Yeah. And finally, you have your
Now
combo.
it took me 5 years to get Kango pots.
Finally. You're welcome.
Thank you. Thanks, guys.
welcome.
You hear me with your welcomes. I didn't get pots, but it's thanks, guys. Thank you.
No, I'm genuinely touched.
You're welcome.
Thank
You are most welcome. You're most welcome. Then you get.
Oh, thanks, guys. How many are these? Let's see if it's this big one.
Yeah. That's your big one.
And then
Around.
this one. This is perfect for porridge, I think.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And then there's this one.
When it's just the two of you.
Yeah, when it's just the two of you.
I
Yeah.
feel like they feel like it.
They're yours. You can do anything you want.
This thing. So, Tinona Mama Poto?
Yes, now you.
You are okay.
Tinona Mama Poto?
What did I say? It has developed holes. People.
Don't throw it away.
Oh, you knew. He knew.
No. I don't know.
Did he know?
It was all planned.
Me.
You guys you guys are ridiculous. So you knew, serious.
Yeah.
It's easier to surprise you.
You actually knew. Did you know?
I did.
When did they tell you?
They told me.
But it's okay because it's romantic.
But do you know what? Like you guys, do you know what I find sweet?
Yeah.
There's no occasion.
So.
Like it's not my birthday.
And.
That's the perfect time. That's when it really
It's
hits.
not
Like,
anything, and you just got them for me. Out of the blue.
Yeah.
That's so sweet.
sweet
Oh,
people.
we're sweet people.
Yeah, it's just like,
I'm the sweet person actually because it was my idea. So Phil, thank you
guys
so
are
much.
so sweet.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This is so sweet, man.
Now back to FIFA.
Okay.
So guys, it's the next day and yeah, I'm just so happy. So I got these pots from Taps. Thanks again, Taps. It was so thoughtful and sweet. I planned to buy them, but look, I didn't have to. And that's one of the nicest things about being in Zim as well. Like, family, they're actually family. Like, they're so thoughtful and yeah, I really appreciate this. So I have my pots now, guys. I can cook proper sadza. Babe, will the sadza taste any different?
I don't know. Only time will tell.
We'll see. Bye, guys.